It's Saturday around 1:30 and I just received my 2 Amazon fresh bags, which I have received before, but never with the meal kits. And it was scheduled between 1 and 3 and it was very prompt. Actually, oh wow, they all come in their own little boxes. We got, I forgot what I ordered. We have petite tender steak and we got some falafel patties. Has some chicken parmesan. So this is way more organized than a lot of meal kits I've used before. And it seems like most of the packaging is biodegradable, which is exciting. And they come with these big, oh my god, it's actually just frozen water bottles. Not really high-tech freezing systems. Most other meal kits come with large freezer packs. However, it will be easier to melt these water bottles than those freezer packs. We love to see it. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge and I'll choose one to make tonight. Petite tender steak with truffle butter. Alex is helping me. And it should take, I think, half an hour. So we're gonna see how this goes. So we have romaine lettuce, potatoes, a very petite steak, some peas, like 4 peas, 3 cloves of garlic, butter, pre-chopped onions, chive, and bone broth, and a very small thing of butter. So it says it serves 2, takes 30 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Alex is chopping potatoes. I'm gonna do something with all this, and then potatoes are potatoing. Ingredients await. 40 minutes later, we are eating. Night 2 is chicken parmesan. We have chicken, a Capri-Sun bag of marinara sauce, 2 pieces of mozzarella cheese, some breadcrumbs, some very brown basil, Parmesan cheese, all things I already have, 1 egg, single egg, 2 tomatoes, which look to be in good condition, some falafel, pesto bag, vinegar, and flour. A full, 15 minutes later, we are sitting down to eat, paired with our Blue Apron wine. Day 3 is here. I'm doing this for lunch because I'm home working and falafel feels more like a lunch than a dinner. So let's see how this goes. We've got some pita, a can of garbanzo beans, which I've definitely purchased from Whole Foods before, little scallion, falafel mix, cilantro, chutney, some fresh mint, looks a little brown, no, looked really brown, cilantro, 1 cucumber, some sauce, some feta sauce, some not so bad parsley, cherry tomatoes, pepper, and some sumac.